Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SARS e-filing. First, navigate to the official SARS website and locate the e-filing registration link. You will need to provide your South African identification number, contact details, and create a unique username and a strong password. After submitting these details, a verification process will follow, often involving an email or SMS confirmation with a one-time PIN to ensure your account security. This initial step is crucial for accessing all e-filing services. Once your e-filing profile is successfully registered, the next step is to log in for the first time. Use the username and password you created during registration. Upon your initial login, you will be prompted to read and accept the SARS e-filing terms and conditions. Following this, you will need to activate your personal income tax type, which links your unique tax reference number to your e-filing profile, enabling you to manage your individual tax affairs. After activating your tax type, SARS may sometimes require additional verification. This could involve submitting supporting documents, such as a copy of your identification document or proof of address, to confirm your identity. You will typically have up to 21 business days to upload these electronically through the e-filing platform. SARS will then process these submissions, which can take a few business days, before fully activating your account for all services. With your e-filing account fully activated, you are now ready to manage your tax obligations conveniently. You can access a wide range of services, including submitting your annual income tax returns, provisional tax returns, and other declarations. The platform also allows you to view your tax statements, make payments, and communicate directly with SARS regarding any queries. This streamlined process saves you time and ensures accurate tax compliance from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.